Meron akong joker. Ang pangalan nga pala nito ay 3 ace with 1 joker. So, with 1 joker. Lalapag ko sila. So, meron akong ace of hearts, ace of diamond, and ace of clubs, and 1 joker. 1 joker. So, meron akong 1 joker. Ay. Mas mataas mo. So, kukuha ko ng tatlong deck. So, kukuha ko ng tatlong deck. Yan. Nalagay ko sila sa bawat taas ng mga nilagay kong 4. Ito. Okay. I'm count this game. I'm count this is 7 of hearts, 3 of clubs, and 6 of hearts. So I can pick. I'm 6 of diamond. Meron akong ace. Okay, right. So meron akong ace. So, pick up. So, jack of clubs, 8 of spade, 6 of hearts, and queen of diamond. From this ace of hearts, so meron akong 8 of hearts. Okay, can face down. So meron akong 10 of hearts, king of hearts, and king of spade, and 6 of spade. So from this, meron akong joker. So meron akong 3 ace.
Buta lahat dyan.
Meron akong 3 ace, 1 joker.
Ngiti.
Sila. Una mo sila, best friend. Una mo sila. Best magic to.
Ano ba yun ah?